The Mandalorian is coming to theaters May 20th. Is it May 20th?
26th?
May 26th? In the 20s. And we thought that since we missed May the 4th, which I'm kind of glad because I just don't like releasing a video on the holiday, you know, like every time. Like A, nobody cares. B, every other channel does it. C, nobody cares. So why not just like do what resonates with you, right? I'm gonna go see The Mandalorian. I actually really enjoyed the TV show. I am a Star Wars fan, but I'm not a fanatical, which means like, you know, I don't get like down with the lore, but I do like it a lot. I've loved it ever since I was a kid. I saw Return of the Jedi in the theater.
Oh, wow.
Which is like,
1980.
I was very young at the time.
Was that 1983?
83, yeah, so yeah. 77 is the year I was born. That was the first one came out. I don't know when Empire came out. What's up, guys? We have been getting weekly emails about this juicer for months and months and months and months and months, maybe even a year. And I've got really good news for you. The powder-coated gray barfly juicer is now in stock on our website, so go get them before they're gone because we've got a limited quantity. Shall we get into making Grogu? Last time we made Grogu, we had a problem with the eyes. I do not have very much faith in myself that I'll be able to do it. People made fun of our child last time and called him...
We made a comment and then we got...
Oh, we got lambasted for it? Okay, well, I'm not going to say the comment, though. I think everyone...
I watched the video, I guess.
If you have any imagination, you'll be able to know what comment we made about the child that apparently didn't go well.
But it's not as bad as you would probably imagine. We're like,
no, I mean, it was not a very sensitive comment, but at the same time, it's not that bad. I mean, we meant no harm by it, you know? We're definitely not doing the Trader Sam's specs for this cocktail. I'm just making my own Grogu cocktail. I kind of still want to call it The Child. I liked it better when the character was called The Child than Grogu, to tell you the truth. Well, you know, this will be The Child / Grogu cocktail. And we're doing my own specs because, you know, I just want to throw my hat in the ring for my own child cocktail.
And before it was Grogu, after it was The Child, it was also Baby Yoda.
That's true. I think it was Baby Yoda first. But then the filmmakers were like, it's not Yoda.
Whoa. What is that?
Is that like an alien spacecraft that is landing on LA?
Finally.
It's either that or we're getting bombed. Okay. Or maybe a building just fell down. I don't know. One or the other. 1 ounce of lime juice. I'm gonna do ½ ounce of Midori to play up the green, and then also bring in some melon notes in here and really play up the green a lot. It's super green. Super green. The Midori is not sweet enough to balance the cocktail, so we're gonna do ½ ounce of simple syrup here. And because Grogu as a character, the child, is sort of strong and spicy, we're gonna bring in some Overproof rum here, and we're gonna do a full, if it pours, 2 ounces.
Is there a stopper in there?
No, I mean it has for some reason Ray and Nephew has this weird like top that like I don't even know what it's meant to do, but like it's not supposed to like there you go. It's supposed to like control the pour, not stop the pour. 2 ounces of Overproof Jamaican rum.
And since they're kind of sailors, rum is fitting as well.
Yeah, rum is fitting because they're sailors, but also Jamaican rum because I kind of feel like, I don't know, just like, at least in the first few seasons, the worlds they went to kind of seemed a bit, you know, kind of on the tropical side. So, you know, you kind of want those tropical flavors. You want it to be...
And he's a pirate too.
And yeah, that's true. He's a pirate. I gotta go get the ice from the other freezer because I was leaving it in there because I had all of the freeze dry in there. Give it a shake. I feel like we should just like straw taste the cocktail first. Give tasting notes because I don't think we should drink out of it once we set the garnish. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. See how well we did. Ooh, yeah, nice. It's got those big tropical flavors that you get with your Jamaican rum. A lot of banana, a little passion fruit in there. It's real nice. But then also you have a little bit of that Midori bringing in the melon. It's a little sweet, it's a little tart. It's perfectly balanced with that lime. It's great, if I do say so myself. Now we're just gonna...
That's a little too
That
full.
is a lot. Here we go, we got our little eyes right here. We gotta make some ears, so we're gonna cut some wedges, and you don't wanna cut the ends off the wedges because you want them to be pointy. Now, where should we notch them? Tell me, because you're on that side, like where it looks, should it be like there or should it be like there?
They should be sticking more, I guess, yeah, I guess.
There?
Yeah.
But you want me to do the eyes first, right?
Yeah.
Kind of hard to gauge where the eyes should be.
Further down, I think.
Or angled down? Well, it can't be too much further down because like that's right at the end. It's good that we have these nice firm limes because it's already gonna flop down. They're gonna have to like cross over, kind of.
Yeah.
They might have to cross like this.
Oh yeah. No, they cross. They should cross.
Might have to cross like that.
Yeah.
So
in the liquid, it crosses. Yeah.
So there's one. And then how do we do this part though?
Well, it can either go through the lime to like anchor it or just free floating in there, I guess. If you crisscross them.
But you're talking about like balancing it? Like you need a counterweight to keep it up though. Talking about going like that?
At the bottom, yeah. But I guess that looks weird. Now it looks like.
Let me see where it looks best. Yeah, that looks weird. Like that doesn't look like, he looks like he's looking down.
Yeah.
You want him to be like right there, right?
Yeah, that looks, I haven't seen it from the other side, but that looks pretty good. Yeah, that's perfect.
Ah, we did it!
Very kawaii.
We did it! We did the Grogu cocktail! Marius figured it out. Now we gotta put his little burlap, like do we just do this kind of deal with the burlap thing?
Yeah, but the other way around though, so they have the...
Like that?
Yeah.
But we also need one of these guys.
Yeah.
Is the tie in the back or the front?
It should be in the front, I think.
That's pretty good. I'm kind of liking this Grogu garnish. These types of like elaborate garnishes that are completely non-functional to the cocktail typically irritate me, and quite honestly, I'm not very good at it. And I don't know if they just irritate me because I'm not very good at it. You know, all of those like videos you see on Instagram where like people are like cutting these elaborate peels. It's like, that's cool for Instagram. It's visual, or if you have a party, but like during like bar service, there's absolutely no way that you're cutting those. Like, first of all, you can't zest those peels. They have to be pretty thick to like sit properly.
Right.
So that means that you have to like peel, zest, and then another peel, and then do the whole thing. And if you're busy on like a Saturday night, you're not doing that. You're just doing simple garnishes because ain't nobody got no time to be cutting the Phoenix, you know, unless you're just doing that at home. I don't know if anyone's gonna be serving this at any bar or anything. I am pretty excited about it as just like a thing we did, and I'm happy that we got the eyes correct this time.
Yeah.
There it is, guys. If you wanna make yourself a child cocktail and to commemorate Grogu and the Mandalorian, here's how you do it. I gotta say, I think that this is my most proud moment. Like, I actually finally have a copy of the book that I wrote. It took me a year and a half to write this book. I'm very proud of it. So I would just implore everyone to go buy a book. The more books you buy, the better it is for me, and then I can make another book for you guys. I'm already thinking about new books, but I'm just super proud of this, and I just hope that you guys really enjoy it. So go out. There is a Genius link below this video and buy this book. I think you guys will really like it, and I worked really hard on it, and I love you guys, and you love me, and I love you, and you love me. It's a love fest over here, so pick up my book.